Hey forest friends, it's Halloween time, so naturally had to get dressed up. We are working on a new forest shelter, so come check it out. There it is. We're getting it all built up, trying to make it as tight and snug so that if it did rain, there would be a real shelter here. Hey buddy, do you like the forest shelter? Oh, nice dance moves. Kids are working hard together. Getting all the logs.
A sheep. Here and a bad there. Here a bad there.
And on that farm.
A cock-a-doodle-doo. A rooster.
Cock-a-doodle-doo
here. And
Ship here.
all the noises. Let's think of one more animal. Oh, now you want to do that one?
Me. Yeah.
Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, wipe this boat up.
And there it is, friends. With just a little teamwork, we've got a nice forest shelter. I'm gonna put some leaves and some ferns in there and see how it turns out.
Hi. Okay. I'm putting on the leaves.
So we're putting on all the leaves?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
We're getting design. I want this to be all. Everyone's helping.
Everyone's helping. It's so nice. It's gonna look awesome when it's all finished. Look at you going. Oh, did you find a roly-poly? A roly-poly. Gentle hands. Gentle. Let me see. Oh, look at him go.
Poly.
Yeah. That's his home. That's where he lives. Why don't you let him stay on the log?
Hi, Mama.
Let's go see the house. All right, let's do it. All right, let's go see. Watch out for the logs. You're not gonna come? You're gonna stay and dig over here?
I've got it for the house. Maybe.
Let's see where you went. Oh, okay, we got the house. It's looking really good.
Mommy, we put yours in here. And there's for the hole.
What about that little hole?
Put your camera in.
You want me to put my camera in right there?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, let's see.
That's the camera die. Let's put it right in.
Wow.
Sand isn't as heavy as you. I'll have to push down sand.
Let's go see what it looks like with you in there too.
Right. I'm still running on this side.
Come here, you want to check out this seesaw Sam made?
No, I already tested out.
Oh, you tested it?
Cool, man.
This is fire right here.
Oh, that's the fire right there? That's awesome. I think we could still even close it up a little bit tighter. There's some gaps, but it's looking great.
No, we need windows to not be that dark.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Windows.
A skeleton leaf.
Oh, a skeleton leaf. Let me see. That's awesome. Isn't that so neat? Hold it real still so we can see the veins in the leaf. That's really neat. You want to go see that seesaw now?
Yeah, but still want to show you how to do it.
Cool. I like the seesaw.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
That was inventive. Who made the seesaw? Is that Arlen?
Whoa! Whoa!
It works.
Yeah! Whoa! Bear! Whoa!
You've got little Teddy hiding in there. Look, you can hide in there. That's what's neat about little forest shelter. Oh, I see the seesaw. You guys are all getting on it?
No, only 3 people.
That's right, but you're going to do 4.
She's just having a off today.
Albie's ready to go.
Abby.
Most of the logs came from over here, but I don't know. That's not, that doesn't look very safe. So kids got their logs from over here and then dragged them all the way through the woods over there. So sometimes people seem like they don't really know what they would do if they just spent the time outside. But And some children, when they're not used to it, they also will kind of be like, oh, what are we doing here? So one thing that you can easily do in the woods is suggest to build a shelter. And it doesn't have to be for the kids' size. It could just as much be for a fairy, you know, just to get that creative juice flowing. And yeah, there's just really countless activities when you're outside. So making seesaws, digging into mud. So just encourage you to get outside, give it a try.
But there was we were a baby, and
Catch them, Ezra.
Wow, and the house has turned into a jungle gym too. You hanging? That's so cool. We're about to head out here. Had a fun day in the forest. Wow, you're so strong. Wow. All right, bud, it's time to go. Let's go. Hop on down. Show us how you jump down, Spider-Man. Nice. All right, let's cruise. Because rotting wood could break. So we're done for our day here at Forest School. It got kind of warm, much warmer than we thought it would. But thanks for joining us. Don't forget to get dirty and play every day.